We'll guide you through how to install shaders using Modrinth in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So shaders are a great addition to the game. They go and add in different lighting, different shadows, and they can make it look really cool. Come to the bottom left to the plus where it says create new instance. Of course, make sure you're signed in already. Then you want to go and press custom setup, and you want to come into loader and go and select fabric. For the name, we'll go and name this shaders. For the game version, we'll keep this the latest version. You could use a different one if you want, but we'll just do the latest and press create instance. Now, while this goes and downloads, a quick thank you to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server to go and play with your friends, check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you scroll down, we can check out some of their great benefits and features. For example, a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backups. So you can go and easily and quickly get started with Apex, and there's a discount at the moment as well. So go and check them out. Now to continue with the guide, go and press library over to the left and go and find our shaders we just made here and go and click on it. And you want to go and press browse content. Where it says search, you want to go and type in sodium and press install to the right. Next, you need to go and type in iris shaders and press install to the right. And now you can go and press shaders at the top. There are lots of different packs. Of course, you can go and download different ones, find your favorite. I really like complementary shaders, so we can install them. Then you can go and press library to the left and then hover over the pack we made and press play. I just need to go and sign in again. Here we are, it's now going and starting. Now what we can do is go and get into a world. Now pause the game and press options and press video settings. Press shader pack to the left and you can then go and select the pack you want, make sure they're enabled and press apply at the bottom. It'll reload and that's it.